Have you ever wondered about the best way to remove unwanted hair? Waxing might be the perfect solution for you. It's a method that rids the body of hair from the root, offering longer-lasting smoothness compared to shaving. Waxing can be done at home or professionally, each with its own set of pros and cons. Now, before you dive in, it's crucial to prepare your skin for the waxing process. Start by ensuring your skin is clean, dry, and free of oils or creams. Exfoliation is also important, as it removes dead skin cells and allows for a smoother waxing session. Avoid sun exposure, tanning beds, or any skin irritants prior to your waxing appointment. Remember, your skin needs to be in its most natural state for optimal results. Proper preparation is the key to a smooth and successful waxing session. Once your skin is prepped, it's time to get down to business. For home waxing, start by applying the wax in the direction of hair growth. Place the strip on top, press down firmly, then swiftly pull against the hair growth. At a salon, a professional will handle these steps, ensuring optimal results. Common issues like skin irritation or missed patches can occur, but these can be addressed by using a soothing lotion or repeating the process. Whether you choose to wax at home or at a salon, following these steps will ensure a safe and effective waxing experience. After waxing, it's essential to care for your skin to avoid any adverse reactions. Keep the area clean and moisturized. Avoid sun exposure and tight clothing that might cause irritation. A gentle exfoliation a few days post-waxing can help prevent ingrown hairs. Wondering how often to wax? Every 4 to 6 weeks is ideal. Is waxing suitable for all skin types? Yes, but always do a patch test first. Remember, waxing is a fantastic hair removal method when done correctly. So prepare wax and care for your skin and enjoy the smooth results.